Kyvio. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Kyvio, all-in-one solution that covers 90% of the tools you need to sell information anymore, and you will get overwhelmed. Inbuilt SSL certificate and no need for website hosting. Build responsive websites and turn elements on/off for desktop, mobile. Strong community and support team that puts customers first. Proven with over $2 million in total sales that have run through the platform, so this is well supported. Smart funnels. Easy to use drag and drop funnel builder. Inbuilt pop-ups, info bars and other conversion tools, removing the need of other WP plugins. Easily download and use pages in HTML format. Inbuilt split testing and conversion optimization features. Access includes 100+ DFY templates till end of June. Smart membership. Simple and modular memberships setup. Automated welcome, password reset and other follow-up emails are pre-configured. Allow content to be drip-fed and expired based on given dates. Allow adding leads to autoresponders as well as webinar services upon purchase sign-up. Smart mailer. Inbuilt smart email marketing solution that allows for segmentation and automation. Reuse emails to email people who didn't open or click on your emails. Quick and detailed email reporting to help you dial into your email marketing. Neil Napier has just reopened after 2 long years, one-time license to Kyvio. Don't want to miss the deal? Check it out below. And remember to use the discount code on the sales page. Kyvio is a one-of-a-kind all-in-one marketing technology and includes drag-and-drop funnel builder with over 200 ready pages for instant setup and results. Unbox full-featured membership site creator and courses that make money. Advanced email automation and segmentation exclusive to high-end email enterprise platforms. And the best part, for the first time ever, anyone in our market is offering unlimited one-on-one handheld support calls whenever you want. This is pretty immense, and with this kind of help, this all-in-one marketing package becomes even more lucrative. But make sure you don't miss this. There's an active timer on the page, and the discount code you see there will expire. Click below and get your copy of Kyvio like thousands of other people have. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.